Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to For Wheels Empire. Today, we're checking out the THINKCAR Thinkdiag Mini, a Bluetooth OBD scanner that promises full system diagnostics right from your smartphone. If you're interested, I've dropped a link in the description for more details and where to buy. Be sure to check it out. Plug Thinkdiag Mini OBD Scanner diagnostic tool with reset into your vehicle's OBD port. Pair the car code reader with your phone via Bluetooth. Download an Thinkdiag app to use it with. Then let it connect to the vehicles and start scanning for live sensor data like a pro, direct from your vehicle's onboard computer. This OBD scanner Bluetooth supports all systems diagnostic function. It can read clear fault codes, read live data, read control module information, actuation tests and maintenance functions for ACM, VCM, SRS, TCM, BMS, TPMS, SAS, SC, system, etc. This OBD scanner can support all 10 OBD test modes: read codes, erase codes, null fault indicator light, live data, evap system test, onboard monitor test, view freeze frame, OBD sensor test, vehicle info, IM readiness, DTC code lookup. Perform OBD sensor tests and carbon canister tests to ensure your vehicle is ready for all emission services. Thinkdiag Mini available for US-based vehicles that are OBD compliant. OBD protocols: KWP200, ISO 9141, J1850VPW, J1850PW AMANCAM. Including 12-volt sedans, SUVs, light-duty trucks, minivans, hybrids, and etc. Note: service functions vary by vehicle. Please to check compatibility before order. Pros: compact and easy to use, affordable, full system diagnostics, useful service functions. And cons: some advanced functions. Not all features work on every car, so check compatibility first. So, is the Thinkdiag Mini worth it? If you want an affordable yet powerful diagnostic tool for your car, this is a solid choice. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or a car enthusiast, it'll save you time and money on diagnostics. If you're interested, check out the link in the description for pricing and details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car tech reviews.